All right, my friends, so I got my NEIKO socket set and we're going to be unboxing it right now. This thing is actually huge. It's a bigger box than what I expected. I ordered it through Amazon and it's a 3/8 master socket set. As you can see right here, here's a description of the box. 76 piece. So kind of excited. My wife actually allowed me to make this purchase. She thought it was kind of ridiculous for me to be buying this, but it's actually a tool that I need and I would use a lot. And so here it is, the NEIKO socket set, 3/8. And it has metric and say socket set sizes. Comes with spark plug adapters. Has a ratchet, has some kind of a universal joint extensions, and one of the things that I liked a lot about this socket set is that it actually comes with a carrying case, so I can keep all the sockets in place and not lose them. And let's see what it looks like. Alright, is it okay? So that's side up. I actually put it this way, that way you guys can see it on the camera. And it has open the latches, it has this latch on the side, another one on this side. And we'll go ahead and open it up. And here it is. Beautiful. We rotate it. So the smallest socket here is a 6mm socket. It goes all the way to 24mm. Their size, the wrench size is a 3/8. They're long sockets, short sockets also. They range from 6mm to 24mm, and then in the say sockets, they start off at 1/4 inch all the way to what's this 1-inch socket. And the same thing, we got the long sockets, the short sockets. Comes with a NEIKO breaker bar, 13/16 socket for spark plugs, and your 5/8 socket for spark plugs. And that's it, folks. Well, it's actually a very nice socket set, and we'll be putting it to good use soon. Thank you for joining us.